All right, man, let me use this camera, and I'm not gonna lie to you, I really don't care what happens. I got this microphone right here, as you see. It's a little clip-on. It's kind of like magnetic. I wouldn't be surprised if it falls because it's a magnet, but honestly, at the end of the day, cheap piece of plastic. That's all it is. Let me go grab this ball. I'm gonna put these shots up. All right, I got this ball right here. I'm not really looking to be a coach. Maybe just a good example to a couple people that need some help. And maybe in a month or two, we'll be playing some leagues. If y'all are watching, it's beyond me. It's up to y'all. It's up to y'all. I'm gonna get some shots up. I'm not gonna lie, I'm about halfway through. I hope y'all are getting this audio. I'm not really saying much, but we got about 15 minutes left. The big wave don't stop.